In this experiment, we will study how voltage affects the current in a circuit. Here are 3 circuits designed to find out how voltage affects the current in a circuit. Each circuit has different numbers of cells so that the voltages are different. Try to connect the voltmeter and ammeter in each circuit. After connecting each circuit, close the switch and record the readings of the voltmeter and ammeter. Also, observe the brightness of the light bulb. Record the experimental results in a table. Draw a graph to show the relationship between voltage and current. In this experiment, we find that the electric current flowing through a circuit is affected by the voltage of the power source. The higher the voltage, the larger is the electric current flowing through the circuit, so the bulb becomes brighter.